The long-running reality competition Fear Factor is returning with a new reboot titled Fear Factor: House of Fear, bringing a fresh twist to the classic franchise. The series is set to premiere in January 2026 and introduces a format that blends extreme stunts with social strategy, marking a major evolution from the original show. Hosted by Jackass star Johnny Knoxville, House of Fear places contestants inside a single shared house, where they must live together while facing a series of physically demanding and fear-inducing challenges. Unlike earlier versions of Fear Factor, which focused on standalone stunts each episode, this reboot adds a reality TV-style element, with alliances, tension, and eliminations playing a key role throughout the season. The premiere episode airs on Fox, and viewers without cable have multiple options to watch. Live TV streaming services that carry Fox are offering free trials, allowing fans to stream the premiere at no cost. For those who missed the live broadcast, episodes will also be available to stream on Hulu the following day, making it accessible to on-demand viewers. Some services are also running limited-time discounts for new subscribers. The reboot has generated buzz due to its combination of nostalgia and modern reality television trends. With Knoxville's fearless hosting style and a more immersive house-based competition, the show aims to attract longtime fans of Fear Factor, as well as new audiences who enjoy social strategy reality series. With multiple streaming options and free trial opportunities available, Fear Factor: House of Fear is positioned to make a strong comeback as one of Fox's headline reality premieres of 2026.